All right. Hello, everyone. Okay, I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen. Okay. All right. So for today's lesson, okay, welcome. Okay, welcome everyone. And then for today's lesson, we will learn how to make. For today's lesson, we will learn how to make the drawing setup in Autodesk Inventor. Okay, my name is Shafika and I am a CAD application engineer in a CAD system. All right, so for this lesson, we will learn how to create and custom the title block. So this will be our dimension later, okay? And then this one, as you can see the title and then designer, engineering profile, material, which is different from what we have created before. This one which is we created, and then this one will be generated by the smart text. All right, I will show you later about this. And then this will be our final result after you have learned all of this. So I believe you can make the dimension, the center line, and the title block same as mine. Okay, so without wasting any time, you can just go to our inventor. Let me share my screen first. Okay, I hope you can see my Inventor interface. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do when you want to create the custom title block is at this bar, you can see this one, you just click the new, okay, new, and then under the metric, scroll down a little bit, you can see the ISO drawing. Okay, ISO drawing is in millimeter. Okay, just click the ISO drawing and then create. Okay, so you can see this one is the default template that Autodesk have been given to us lah. All right, so let's say you don't want to use this default template. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the this one, the sheet, and then you click this one, edit sheet. Okay, so before you edit the sheet, okay, before you edit the sheet, you must know the sizing that you want to use. Okay, let's say this one, you want to use the A3 sheet. Okay, just go, if you want to change it, just go click over here and change any sizing that you wanted. Okay, for this lesson, we will use the A3 sizing lah. Okay, just click the A3 sizing. So next, in this orientation, this is where you want to put your title block. Okay, so usually we will put at the bottom right corner at this one. So if you want to choose and you want your title block to be in the top left corner, let's say like this, or bottom left corner, you can just click lah. Okay, click any direction that you want. So let's say for this one, we're gonna choose the bottom right corner. Okay, and then you can choose either you want to portrait or landscape. Okay, so for this lesson, we will use the landscape one. Okay, and then click OK. All right, so next one, you can see right over here, we have ISO, right? So in this sheet, we have to delete the default border and the ISO. Okay, because we don't want to use the default border and we don't want to use the default title block. So just click over here, right click, delete, or just click over here and click the delete button at your keyboard. Okay, like this. So it will be plain like this. All right, so this time we will click right over here, okay, or expand the drawing resources. So you can see we have border and we have title block. So in this border, just right click and define new border. Okay. Wait. And border. Okay, this one, the default border, not this one, right? This one, default border and insert drawing border. So when you click insert drawing border, it will appear the dialog box like this. So for the, we have the horizontal zone and vertical zone. So this one is horizontal zone, and this one is the vertical zone. So you have to just put the number of zone, vertical zone and horizontal zone. So let me key in my zone first. Let's say this one I want it to be 8, and then this one I want it to be 6. Okay, you can choose the label, either you want it to be alphabetic, numeric, or none, or anything that you want it lah. Let's say this one I just put numeric, and then for vertical zone I just put alphabetic. Okay, and then just click OK. So what is the purpose of this zone actually? So let's say your manager asks you to update the drawing. Okay, so he can say, please update the drawing at zone D5. Okay, let's say D5. So when he said D5, so you know the zone will be at this area. So you can update your drawing at this area, right? So that is the purpose of the zone. All right, so just go to the title block. Okay, you can see right over here we have ISO, right? So we don't want to use the ISO. Just click the title block. Just put the ISO one, and then just put the insert. Title block. Okay, just put no, this one is not, we're not going to use the ISO one because this one is the default one. Just go to the title block and choose the define new title block. Right, so this is so when we want to custom our title block, right? So we gonna use this one, the rectangle. Okay, we create back our the title block lah. Let's say the dimension will be, let me check the dimension first. Okay, 180, 180, 45. So this one is 180, and then this one is 45. All right, so like this. Okay, let's say you want to put the another one right over here. Just click line and then create your own title block. Okay, click there, and then from here, just click over here, here and here, and then here and here, and then this one. Okay, you can put anything that you wanted. You can, because this is your title block, right? All right, so you can use the dimension to put your own dimension lah. Let's say this one, from this one to this one, I want it to be 60. Okay, this one also 60. Okay, this one will be, okay, this one will be 30. And then what else? Okay, this one. From this one to this one will be 15. Also this one. Okay, and then I would like to trim this area because I want to put my logo over here. Okay, so this one also I want to trim. And then just leave it like this lah. Okay, it depends on you lah. Okay. All right, then you can choose whether you want to put your text or not. So let's say this one, I want to put my logo, right? So at this area, I want to put my text. So let's say this one, title. So the first one, always title lah. Okay, title, and then you go to the center justify, and then middle justification. So let's say you want to change the font height, so you can change it, okay, by highlight it and then change it. Okay, like this. Okay, then you can choose to put the dimension also. Let's say from this point to this point. Okay, sorry. From this point to this point, you know, it's okay. Okay, just drag it. And then let's say you want to put at the other area also. Just go to the copy this one. Okay, select the base from this point. Okay, and then you can just drag it and put at the other area. just click done. All right. So I'm going to put another line over here. Okay, like this. Copy and then paste in here and then put like this. Click done. Okay, now I'm going to change this one into just right click, you just click it and then change to material. Okay, because we have our design and of course we have the material also, right? So just click like this and then this one will be designer. Just click and then change it into designer. Okay, this one also change it into approved by. Okay, and then the type, this one, we gonna change it to scale. Okay, and then this one will be unit. Okay, and then this one will be shape. All right, SHE. Okay, like this. So you can just drag it like this, so it will be more proper lah. All right, so if you're done, then the remaining is to put your logo, right? So just go over here under the insert, okay, right click the image. So the sizing of the image depending on how you determine the area. So let's say I just put from this point until this point and then choose the logo, open, and then it will be like this for your sizing. So let's say you want to change it, just delete it and then go to the image again, drag it from here to here and then choose your logos and then just click open like this. All right, so next we will do the smart text. So just click the text again and then just click over here. And then for the title, we want it to be like automatically detect when we put our design. So this one, the type will be the standard properties. Okay, for the property, we will search the title. So let's say this one, right? So choose the title and then click the add parameter. Okay, and then just click the center justification and then this one, just click OK. So it will be like this lah. Okay. So just adjust. And then next we have the material. Material also as same as the title. Just click and then we search for appearance lah. Appearance is for our material. So just click over here. Choose this one first. Just click this one. Shut down and then this one will be like this lah. Appearance. Okay. Then we have our designer. So just click again the text and then choose the designer. Okay, either you want it to be the check by or engineering approved by. Let me search this one. Engineer approved by. Okay, this one. All right. And then just click add parameter. Click OK. Okay, engineering approved by. Next we have okay, for designer, let's say, okay, this one is wrong. For designer, we have to choose the author or the designer. Let me, okay, this one, designer, okay? This one, and then click OK. All right, approved by, just click the text again, click right here, and then we will choose the engineer approved by. Okay, this one. Okay, click the add parameter, and then click OK. Okay, scale. For scale, it will be a little bit different. Just click text again and then click over here. For this one, for the type, we will choose the shade properties. Okay, and then we will choose the initial view scale. And then just click over here, add parameter, and then adjust your justification. Just click OK. All right, so then unit. So unit usually will be default lah. So you can just go to text and then just put your unit lah like this. Okay, click OK. Okay, next. For the shade, you go to the text again and then put it right here, and then you can choose sheet again, and then for the property, choose the sheet number. Okay, and then click the add parameter, this one, and just click OK. So it'd be like this lah. Okay, see the numbering already appear. So like this, I put this, so this one also. Okay, so when you're done, just click the finish, and then it will ask you to name your title block. So for this title block, I will just name it title block for today. Okay, like this, and click save. So after you click save, you have to click file, and then save as, and then save copy as template. And then they will ask you where you want to save your template. So I advise you to just save at this folder. Just go to the this one, user, public document, Autodesk Inventor 2025, under the template English US, right? So you can just save your template at this folder. So just put again your title block. So title block name, title block for today. Okay, like this, and then just click save. So after that, you just go to the title block, this one, title block for today, just click insert. So it will be like this. Okay. All right, now we want to put our design. So what we can do, let's say you have opened your design, okay, at this model. So you have opened your design, and then you wanna put into your title block, okay, your template. Just click the base, okay. It will automatically put your design into this template. Let's say you want to put your other design, so you just can go to here, open existing file, and then search for your design. Okay, so for this tutorial, we will use this design lah. Okay, so this one is the front view. Okay, this is the front view, and then if you want to change this one, you can change right over here, like this. Okay, using this cube. So let's say you want to make the other position also. Okay, let's say this one, you can just put it right here. So this one is this one. Correct. So let's say you want to put the other one like the isometric view. So you can put like this lah. Actually, this is not the proper way. Okay, so let's say, okay, this should be the isometric view actually. Okay, the other one is not the proper view that I want to be insert in our template. Okay, so if you experience this one, let's say I cancel again, choose the base, and then choose the top plane, okay, top view, and then this one, the asymmetric view. Okay, actually this is not the right view lah. If you click this one, my drawing, this is the isometric view that we wanted. Okay, let's say you experience this issue. Okay, just go to the file, and then just go to the manage, style editor, and then in this default standard, you go to the view preference. Okay, so you can choose either you want first angle or third angle. All right, so just save and close. So let's say you put again the base. Okay, so this one is a base, and then you choose the asymmetric view. So this will be the right view for our template. Okay, and then you choose the side view. It will be like this. All right, so this is the view that we wanted lah. All right, so just go to the this one, the template style editor, and then you can change right there lah, the view preference. Okay, first angle and third angle. All right, so let's say I have done my view. Wait, yeah. Okay, wait a second. I will open my drawing first. Okay, so let's say this one, I already make my view. Okay, so I want it to be the section view and this one. So just delete this first. Okay, and then, okay, so I just left this top view only. All right, so this time I want to make the section view for my top view. How can I do that? Okay, I can just go to the section view and then click right here. From here, you can see the midpoint, right? So just drag it, click over here and click here, right click and just click continue. And then you can bring your section view down. Okay, just click over here and then you can see this is our section view. All right, let's say you want to change DD to AA. So just click it. Okay, see, sorry, just click this model. Okay, you can see the red line will be appear. Just click it. And then the view and fire will be D. So you change it to A, and then you can see right over here, they have a toggle label visibility. So what is toggle label visibility? If I click it, I turn it off, I click OK, okay, the text will be disappeared. Okay, just click it again, okay, on the toggle, and then just click OK. All right, so let's say you want to change the display for this view. So let's see this one lah, right? Just click it. Okay, this one we have the style. So the style is hidden line remove. So let's say I want it to be shaded. So I can click shaded, click OK. So this one will be shaded. Okay, click again and then, okay, I will make it just this one only. Okay, this is the scale. So the scale, you can turn it to be anything, any scale that you want it lah. Let's say I choose 1.5 and I click OK. So it will be a little bit bigger lah. All right. So just click again. I want it to be 6. Yeah, okay. So notice that this one already filled in. Okay. We already filled this one because I said before, if we put the smart tag, the title, the material, and so on will be filled. So I will explain later about this one. All right, so let's say we already make the section view, right? So let's say you want to put something, you want to edit these tags, so you can just click it, okay? And then go to the, let's say you want to put the section text, okay? Just put section, okay, section. And then you can go to the scale, okay, enter the scale because we want it to be we want it to bring it down, and then just put scale, okay, and then this dash, or if you don't want to use dash, then you don't have to put dash lah. All right, click OK. So it will be like this lah, section AA scale 1/6. So if you want to bring it to down, just drag it and then put it at the down. Okay. All right, next. So if you want to make another view, which is this one we call it as side view. This one is front view, side view, and top view. Okay, for the side view, if you want to put another view at this area, just click project, click this one, project it, see, project this, and then right click and click OK. Oh, sorry, project, click over here, click, and then click create, right click and click create, right? So it will be appear like this lah. Okay, I will bring it up a little bit so it's easier for us to make the dimension lah. All right, so here I want to make the center line. So how can I do that? I just go to the annotate. Right here we can see we have the center line beside the center line, the normal center line, and so on. So this one is the radius one, right? So you can use this one lah. Okay, just click it and then click this one, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Okay, so we can make the center line already. Okay, so next, let's say you can see this one, right? The counter ball. So let's say I want to make it appear at this area. Okay, so we can't see the contour board at this area, right? So let's say I want it to be displayed at this model, okay, at this drawing. So what can I do is first I have to sketch first. So sketch a rectangle, let's say from this point, maybe just a little bit from this point, okay, until this point, and then just click finish. So what you can do after that is you can choose the place view and then breakout. So breakout is not the same as the section view lah. Section view will be like this. We have the reference drawing and then we can do the section drawing. So for this one, when we do the breakout, it will break at this point. Okay, just click over here and then choose from point. So I will take this point and then you can select the distance for your drawing, okay, for the breakout drawing. Okay, so the distance from this point to this point is 50 millimeter. So I will put 50 millimeter. Okay, like this, and click OK. Okay, see, it will be appear like this. Let's say I choose edit breakout and then I choose 20 millimeter only. Okay, and it will be disappeared. Okay, so you have to know the distance for this drawing. Okay, just breakout and then edit breakout and then put again 50. Right, so let's say you want to put the dimension. So just go to annotate, go to dimension, and then you can choose your dimension, whether you want to put the radius, the distance, and so on. So let's say we put the distance first lah, okay? So you can choose from this point to this point and then drag it. Okay, for the dimension, let's say you want it to be in orange color, okay? So you just can go to the tools, let's say, go to the manage style editor. Okay, it will be appear the block like this. And then the first one, let's say you want to change the color, right? So you can go to the this one. Okay, before that, let's say your drawing is in inches. So you want to change it to millimeter. You can go to the general, okay, this one, general. Okay, make sure it is in millimeter. And then decimal marker, I don't want it to be commas. I want it to be period. All right. And then you can just click anything that you wanted. Let's say, okay, this one, let's say this one, just click save. Okay, it didn't change, right? So after that, what you have to do is, if you already changed at this one, you have to change at this one also. This one, the dimension. Okay, choose the default ISO and then change at this one. You need mm and then decimal marker will be period. So if you click save and close, it will change. Okay, just okay, and then maybe I want to leave the 360 alone without the 0, 0 at the behind of it. Just click style editor again. Okay, the precision you have to change to 0. And just click OK, so it will be 360 only. Okay, click the start editor again to change the text or display that you wanted. Let's say I want to change the line, this one. Okay, the arrow. Okay, you can click the color and then you change it to any color that you wanted. Let's say orange, click OK and then save close. Okay, it will turn out to be orange. Okay, let's say you want to change the text. Okay, this one is in black, right? This one also black. So let's say you want to change to blue. Okay, style editor. Okay, wait. Okay, and then go to text and then just, okay, let me, okay, this one. Click edit text style, or you can just go to the text. Okay, it will bring it to the text. Click this one. See, it bring you to the text, and then the color you can change it to blue. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, okay, save and close. So it will change to the blue color. Okay, so let's say you want to make the dimension for fillet. Okay, you can go right over here, hover it, okay, hover, click, and then it will be appear like that. Click OK. So let's say you hover it, and then the green dot will be appear, right? So if you click right there, it did not appear your fillet. Okay, the dimension for the fillet will not be appear. So just click the dimension and then hover it until it turn out like this, and then you can click like this. Okay. All right. Okay, next, let's say this one, you want to make the dimension for this hole. Okay, this one is the hole actually. Okay, let's say you want to make it into the diameter, right? So if you click like this, click from this point to this point, it will turn out to be distant. Okay, what you can do is, if you want to change it into the diameter, okay, you can hover your mouse like this and then drag. Okay, so it will be the diameter. You need lah over here the symbol of diameter. Okay, that's how you use the dimension. Okay, now we can go to this contour ball. So let's say I want to put the dimension. Like I said before, you don't have to click like this and like this. Just hover your mouse and then just put up like this. Okay, let's say you want to put some text. Just go to this one lah. Just go to this tag. Okay, and then just put your text that you want to put. Okay, let's say I put 4 times 2 and then dash. Okay, and I click OK. So it will be turned out like this lah. Okay. All right, so let's say you have put a lot of dimension, and then this is the final look lah. Okay, this is the final look for our template for today. So let's say this one, you can edit it actually. Okay, just drag it like this. Right? So if you are satisfied with your drawing and then your template, just go to the file and then export, and then you can save to PDF lah. Okay. So let's say, okay, this one. All right, this one is actually automatically from our iProperties. Let's say I open my drawing back. Okay. So I at the FOL, just right click, go to iProperties. This is where you have to put your title. Okay, this one, FOL July 2025, and then the project, the designer, who is designer, okay, and then the status, checked by who, and so on. So let's say I edit a little, 2026, and I click apply. So when I go back to this one, it will change to 2026. Okay, it will automatically update our drawing lah, like that. Okay, that's how you do the smart tags. Okay, I hope you can learn something today. I think that's all for today. Right, before we end our lesson, I want you guys to go to the any browser that you have and then type Acad system. Okay, this one, acadsystem.com. Okay, at this is our website. Let's say you have any inquiries, you can just call our KL and Biniam branch lah. Let's say you have the general inquiries, you wanna talk about the training, you wanna ask about the price and so on, you can just go to the live session, live chat. All right. So let's say you have any problem related to your software, you can go to the Acad system help desk. So let's say your software crack, okay, you can't open your software and just can go to the help desk, create new ticket as guest. Okay, and then at this point, just put your name, subject, and so on. Description. So description is the important one lah. Okay, I hope you can just not only put your description, also you can insert the image lah. And then if you insert the image, it's easier for us to detect your problem and so on. Okay. Any category, just put KL technical inquiry, and then priority if it is urgent, and you just click high. Okay, high is for urgent lah. Okay, and then you can click submit. Okay, let's say you are interested in our event, just go to the event, calendar of event, and this is all the list of our upcoming FOL. All right, so if you are interested in Autodesk Civil 3D, just click Autodesk Civil 3D, and it will bring you to this site lah, and then just click RSVP here. Okay, click going, and it will notify you when the FOL started. All right, so if you go down a little bit, you can see the YouTube icon over here. If you click the YouTube icon, it will bring you to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's say you want to learn how to learn the AutoCAD. Okay, just go to the playlist or search button over here, and then you can search lah. Let's say AutoCAD, right? So AutoCAD, and then this will be appear lah. Let's say this one AutoCAD Plan 3D. So you can click and then you can learn one lah, right? You can learn one by one. It will have 13 lesson, all of this. All right. So I think that's all for today. If you have any question, you can just drag to the chat lah, drop to the chat and so on. All right, I think that's all for today. So see you at the next FOL. Okay, bye.